Hello, hello, hello to anyone who actually decided to show up today. I am actually recording for a video right now. I am stupid enough to try to make a game using only one asset. I'm gonna see if I can... So, this is the wheel that I made. This is the wheel that I made for some challenges that I might want to do for game dev in the future. You can see there's some great ones, like only one 3D model. One code file, nice. Only one 3D model. You can only CCV code, which stands for Control CV. So I can only copy and paste code from the internet. Everything has to be hand-drawn. That one I'm actually really worried about. If I ever land on that one, I think I actually suck at drawing stuff. I know a lot of people would disagree, but to be fair, the pictures that people disagree on me drawing is like... they took me hours to make. Only two colors on screen. I think it would just be an interesting concept to make a game that only two colors are on the screen at a time. 48 hours. I don't know, I might remove that one. I'm kind of just giving myself a week to make these games if I ever have them. 3D-Fi, a classic 2D game. Basically just remake a game. All computation on GPU. I actually saw this on YouTube. Someone did this once where they were making a game where everything was processed on the GPU, and I thought it was really cool, so maybe try it. Gamify, classic board game, text-based game. I mean, that one's just easy. I've never done that before though, but that would be an easy one. Speed game, just make a game based around speed. One code file. For one code file, I would do it inside of Unity because it would be way harder that way. HTML5 only. Back to my classic high school days of programming on a Chromebook. Great times. Bug equals delete game. Any unintentional behavior, I delete it. That one might not work. That one probably wouldn't work, but we'll see. Twitch plays game. I've done multiple Twitch plays programs already. May as well just make a game that's just Twitch plays, block coding, use something like Scratch or something like that. I don't know. I hate block coding. Anyone who knows my programming knows that block coding is absolutely horrible. I hate it so much with passion. And then bingo, but better. I have no idea what that means, but I'll figure it out if I ever roll onto that. Anyways, so on to what we're doing. So I rolled that I can only use one 3D model to make an entire game. Now, making this game, it would be very easy to just make a game with only one 3D model. It's been done plenty of times. How do I know it's been done plenty of times? Look at every 2D game ever that uses WebGL, OpenGL, or something like that. They all use one 3D model, which is the plane. So if I... And it's already built into Unity, which makes it easier. They use a plane, which is basically just made up of two triangles. It's a flat object, and the reason you can get away with just using this is you can just put a texture on it, and boom, only one 3D model ever used. I want to challenge myself. Let's see if I can find it here. So, when I was coming up for this idea for this challenge, I was talking with someone, and we were just joking about, I think it was Super Mario 64, or Mario 64 ROM hacks. And we were joking about how it would be funny if someone just made a ROM hack where they remade Bomb on Battlefield using only Bomb on Battlefield. Why does this... Well, this model's backwards, but you get the point. You know, it kind of loses all of its dramatic effect now that it's like... It's all inside out. Here, let me... Do I have Pro Builder? I probably don't have Pro Builder already. Package Manager. Let's just search up Pro Builder. No, I'm not going to cheat and use Pro Builder to... No results for Pro Builder. So like Pro Dash Builder or something. Yeah, that's just one word. I'm only gonna use Pro Builder just to invert the normals on this mesh. So it looks right. Oh my, I'm stupid. I'm still on the stream starting screen. Well, it's a good thing that nobody's here yet. Well, let's go through all that all over again. All right, here we are. So, wrong screen. All right, so welcome here. Today I'm making a game using only one 3D model. I can actually show this wheel of names once again. I made this. No, get out of your ads. I made this wheel full of game dev challenges. And I made this wheel full of game dev challenges. You can see a lot of challenges like you can only use one 3D model, can only see CV code, which is just Control C plus V, so you can only copy and paste code. Hand drawn only. That one would suck because I suck at drawing. Drawing takes me so long to do. I spend hours on a single image. Maybe even the measure of days with some images just because I'm so slow at it. Only 2 colors on screen. I think that would just be honestly an interesting game challenge that I would just want to do anyways. It sounds interesting for a game. Although that could be pretty easy with like a text-based game because you just got a black background, white text, Oregon Trail, something like that. Pong. Yeah, I'll try to be more interesting than that. I'll say that 2 colors on screen will have to be done in 3D. 48 hours. I might remove that one. I don't know. That's just like a game jam, so maybe I'll remove that one. 3DFI classic 2D game. Just reimagining a 2D game in 3D, like Space Invaders, Pong. What other classic games are there? Donkey Kong? I don't know. Just imagine some game like that in 3D. All computation on GPU. I saw someone else do this online at one point, and I thought it was just really interesting, and kind of wanted to try it myself a little bit. Try to challenge myself with like compute shaders, something like that. Gamifying a classic board game, pretty much a 3Dify a 2D game, except with a board game. It might be a little bit harder, but still could be interesting. Text-based game, I've never actually done one before, so I don't know if I'm in over my head with that, or if it'll be the easiest thing ever. Hopefully it's the easiest thing ever, and I roll that next time around. Speed game, just a game made around speedrunning. That's it. Who knows, maybe I'll make a speedrun.com page for it. One code file. I'll do that inside of Unity because it would be a lot harder in Unity to do that. HTML5 only. Bug equals delete game. I don't even know if this one's possible. Bug equals delete game. That's just... Oh, that would be something else. Twitch Plays game. I've done a few Twitch Plays programs recently. I did like 2 of them. One of them was actually publicly available on my GitHub called Chatpad. And the other one, which was used for Twitch Play Splatoon recently, which actually that video was released on that SRB2 dude's channel. And it's a multi-part series. So that's awesome. And then, but yeah, I made a few Twitch Plays programs already, so why not just make the game only for Twitch to play? I think it would be fun. That'd be a fun thing to do. Block coding only. I hate block coding. More than any other programming language ever to exist, I hate block coding. It is the worst way to program, in my opinion. And maybe I just haven't seen a good implementation of block coding, but for me, it's always slower than just learning syntax and doing something like C# or Python. I mean, even Python. I hate Python as well, but it's better than block coding. It can stay in the realm of being considered a programming language. And then bingo but better. I have no idea what that means, but I'm sure I'll figure it out. But what I rolled was... Oh, that's not actually what I rolled. I rolled only one 3D model, so I have to create an entire 3D game with only one model. Now, I could just use a plane, because... Oh, spoilers. I could just use a plane, because pretty much every 2D game you've ever seen runs off of OpenGL or DirectX, one of those, but just uses planes to render all 2D objects. And then uses like an orthographic camera. If you've worked inside of if you've done anything inside of Unity before, you'll know these as sprites or something like that. Yeah, they're just 2D planes. But I wanted to challenge myself, so instead of using a plane for every single model, I am going to use... Oh. The entirety of Bomb Battlefield from Mario 64. Probably one of my dumber ideas I've ever had. Unfortunately, this model's messed up right now. Is it upside down, or is it... No, it's not upside down. But yeah, one of my dumber ideas I've ever had. I'm just gonna quickly... Prill Builder... Quickly fix this. Children of selection. I thought it was just one object. Ah. And... Oh, I see. I'm just going to unpack this. Perfect. And then just invert those normals. Ball Battlefield, there we go. I actually don't really have any ideas for this. For what to do with this model. So that's the goal for today. Just gonna put some lo-fi in the background. Thank you, Lo-Fi Girl, for the playlist. Just gonna figure out how am I going to take Bomb on Battlefield and turn it into an entire 3D game using only this model. I mean, I could recreate all of the first level of Mario 64 Bomb on Battlefield just using this one model. That would be something really dumb to do. I mean, I should create a folder for... This model did come with a bunch of textures, so I might actually end up using them. There we go. Multi-select. There we go. And... there we go. Ooh. No, not that. You know what? Let's start with just recreating Mario 64 using only Bomb on Battlefields. Let's take my dumb idea and let's just roll with it. Start with just creating all the materials. Perfect. I'm looking at these materials, and I might want to set these to not filter. I think they'll look a lot sharper if I don't filter them. Please. Ooh. One material applies to all of it. Okay, this model wasn't set up for having multiple materials. Okay, that creates problems right away. I could do something really dumb with this. I could take this problem and turn it to something even dumber, where I have to recreate every single individual object using the entirety of Bomb on Battlefield. That would be so dumb. I mean, there's already a lot of things missing. Like, there's this platform here that's missing. Bomb-bombs are missing. Chain chomp is missing. Fence is missing. I already gotta do a lot of objects in here. It might be because I pro-builderized this. I might be able to use ProBuilder to split the materials, right? Material editor? Could I do like this? No, that doesn't change anything. Never mind. There was hope, and it was immediately destroyed. I don't think there's actually anything I can do for the materials. I think we're just gonna be stuck with this one. Alright then. Off to a great start of making the challenge even harder than it needed to be. Oh. I might not be able to recreate Bomb on Battlefield then if I just can't use this, so I might... You know what? Too much thinking. Let's do something simpler. Bomb on Battlefield, recreating Mario 64 would be too complicated for a short period of time. So, I'm going to take this. And I am going to make Space Invaders. Final call. I guess I could just take this, I guess I first need to make a ship, so I can just take this, rotate that way, that way. This is already looking terrible. There. Maybe scale them down? 0.25? Call these the wings? Oh. I guess I could... ship. Yep. Five by 5. The ship is a little tall. Let's just do 0.25 again. Flatten it out a little bit. This is the worst spaceship I've ever made. I mean, I kind of need, like, reference material. Space Invaders. I mean, this is kind of what we're looking for. That's what the invaders look like, okay, but, like, that's the ship. Kind of like a space shuttle sort of vibe. But, like, wider. Or that... I don't know exactly what to call that. I'm gonna go off of this one. I like this. I like this one. This one's simple. I guess, like... Online casino. Okay. Great reference material. I mean, that's still hard. How do you make that? I mean, we can do, like, a square right there. Another square right there. But then we got these two triangles at the sides. That'll be difficult to make. I guess we could just wing them off. Oh, we got a couple of different ships here. They all still look difficult to recreate. I could make a square right there in the middle, have a line, two little guns, and then I don't need to round the tip. I think this one might be a good one to go for. Use that one as reference. All right. We've got reference material. Don't lose hope yet. All right, start with a square in the middle. Just reset this position. Square in the middle. Wrong way. It would be roughly 1.4 side length, right? No, on the X. I think. Yeah, that looks close enough that I can work with it. And then 0.7 roughly, square root of 2-ish. I mean, what if I just did the 0.01 on all of these? I feel like I'm breaking my own rule already. I didn't want to use planes because I thought that they would be cheating, basically, by using planes, but now I just basically made a plane with Bob on Battlefield by flattening it out enough. Ooh, I don't like that. Nope, I got an idea. I'm being creative for once in my life. We make this really tall. And then we work from there. And if you don't believe I have an idea, you're probably right. What am I doing? I feel like I need a double-sided material. Okay, now... if I take this... I was about to cheat, but I don't need to. I can just do -1. Why did I not think of doing that earlier? We take both of these, rotate them 90 degrees forward. Let's do 4 on each. I mean, we kind of got a gun there. For our spaceship. It looks really bad. What if we extend it more? -8. -8. Kind of? No, I feel like I need to go the other way around, so this one's 8, this one will be... I guess I could do 7 on them. Something like that. It looks like this really detailed ship, right? Right? I mean, if you squint your eyes really hard, it kind of looks like a Space Invader ship. You got the triangle part there. It's so bad. It is so bad. Don't worry. It can only get worse from here. Okay. That doesn't look right. We might be getting somewhere. If I add another one of these, let's do that. I think it has to be -2. Yeah, just invert it. $60? 30? -12? Does this look right from an overhead view? Does it look symmetrical? Not really. This might have just... I don't think I needed to make it negative, but... 60, -30, 60, 30. I mean... if we make... That pulls it in. Close enough, close enough. And then, okay. I got an idea. One more. We had flames coming out of the back. Rotate it 180 degrees. We do like 0.5 on these axes. Well, I guess X should be 0. Maybe a little bit less. 0.35. And then like 5, 6. Boom. Spaceship. And we make it stone. Honestly, I am probably not going to be using any of these materials. And... Alright. Starting with the flames. Smooth this? Not at all. Metallic? No. Emissive? Yes, it is. I don't know. About there. Wings. I mean, like, what color should the wings be? Like, blue? Do we want it blue? I could go with blue. Like a dark blue. Darker blue, maybe. Make it metallic. Like a 50% metallic. It's got a paint job on it. It's not fully metal. And then the guns. I mean, we either go gray or black or... Or what if... Okay, entertain the thought for a second. To hide all of these jagged details, we make it unlit. Top-down game. I mean... Using only those 3D models. Someone in the world could believe that's a spaceship. I actually don't hate how it looks. Those guns actually look kind of cool. Okay, give me a second. I'm gonna... I might pull something out. So... Is it this one? I think... packages, yeah. I might... Shaders. These go into packages. Sell. You still complaining? Okay, good. This... it actually looks alright from the top, but once you go to the side... let's just leave it at a top view and see if we can make this look a little bit better. Just by using some custom shaders I wrote like forever ago. Okay. Unlit. Is it here? Is it not in there? Failed to compile. Dot slash packages slash extra utilities. I mean, I know how this shader works. It is in... it's right there. How do I have it set up here? I mean, this is exactly how I have it set up in the other project. Let's... Visual Studio. Alright. Let's open up Visual Studio. Alright. Where are you complaining? Dot slash packages slash extra utilities dot cg inc. I mean, that is there. Huh. Strange that it's not working. Huh. I'm actually really confused by this. I might need to... give me a second. I'm gonna have to think about this one. That's way too eerie. What am I doing? There we go. That's better. Alright. Can't find the package. Sometimes if I just edit it and, like... if I do like this, save that, save... yeah. Sometimes it'll just recompile, but I mean, that's more so with C# code that you can do that. // is going back a folder, right? You know what? Just to save on headaches, I'm just gonna move them into the same folder. So I'm gonna like... And then line 130, I think, was the other one. This isn't gonna be a big game anyways. There it is. Okay, I haven't actually set this one up at all yet. So I do not want an outline. Let's just make it all... Sure, 145 gray. I guess I could just go to... I don't know the values. 145 gray. Let's remove highlights. I mean, that at least gives it some texture. And for all of you who have absolutely no idea what's going on right now while I'm making a game, I decided to make a game using only one 3D model, and that 3D model is, as you can see up here and down here, Bomb on Battlefield. And I'm trying to recreate Space Invaders using only Bomb on Battlefield. But, it looks... I'm trying to make a main ship for that, but it looks terrible. So... I at least figured out some code for an old shader I used that I'm hoping might be able to make it look a little bit better. In fact, what I might be able to do with these, if I open up all of them with Pro Builder, I might be able to, like... I'm gonna have to do this one object at a time. Don't crash. Don't crash. This is what streaming Lo-Fi Girl recording for a video and streaming to YouTube all at the same time does to your computer while also trying to run Unity and edit meshes. Oh, we're good. Okay. Are we? Why is it so slow now? What happened? Did I break it? Oh no. Pro Builder is not happy. Oh no. Is that it? Okay. Oh. Okay, okay. Please don't crash on me. We're smoothing. Smoothing's in green, right? No, it's up here. Add it to all one smoothing group. Maybe smoothing... I'm hoping what I'll be able to do with this is that smoothing it will make it look a little bit more consistent instead of... I mean, some of you probably haven't seen this, but... not so jagged. I mean, like, I am using a little bit of a cell shader right now on it. So that it gives it a little bit of texture, so it's not just using a flat color, but also... I mean, the... smoothing didn't do much. But it at least has some texture to it, so I think I will keep the cell shader around at least. Oof. Unity is chugging today. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to make this look good without actually just straight up painting it. So we are going to call that good enough and move on. I'm gonna move these blue planes up. Or do I want them below? Maybe below. I mean, that where it sticks out there actually looks kind of nice for being only able to work with one 3D model. No way streamer arc? No, I'm just doing a, I'm actually recording for a video. This isn't about streaming. Also, hi, Ali. I'm recording for a video for where I challenge myself to do a game challenge. I'll even pull up the challenge wheel just to show you. I have this wheel with a bunch of different game development challenges. Go away, ads! Okay, and I thought I'd just stream it just for fun, and also to keep myself actually doing it instead of being halfway through it like, never mind. And maybe it is my streamer arc, who knows? Maybe it's my streamer arc against my will. Anyways, I'm trying to make Space Invaders by only using one 3D model. I know that this looks like black magic, sorcery, whatever to you, game development stuff, but trust me, this is just coding games. I'm trying to make a spaceship using only bomb on battlefield. It's not going over well. This is about as close as I've gotten. And I'm trying to make these wings. I mean, like, these front two pieces look like guns, at least. So that's at least nice, but I'm trying to make, like, wings, like, for a spaceship or something like that that actually look nice. Maybe I could take inspiration from Star Fox. I just had an idea. That's not a square. Little bit. That's about square. Not completely unfamiliar. Perfect! I guess you can lurk without having a seizure or a stroke or whichever one would come first from watching someone develop a game. You think all of your computer science classes this semester is making use of Vicron 32? Or Vercon 32. I have no idea what that is. Is that a programming language or like a IDE or just like a toolkit like Unity? What is that? Because I've never heard of that before. Virtual emulator? Okay. I guess that's something like, how on macOS they have like an iPhone emulator and iPad emulator on there, so you can program programs for both of those. SNES, Genesis, PS1 level? Okay. Is that for like game dev or is that just for coding in general? Oh, I forgot these are all angled. It's, I forgot those are all angled. 0. Okay. Okay, yeah, now that they're No longer angled. This looks wrong. Are these even squares anymore? Nope, they're not. That's why they didn't look like a square. I thought they were squares. You think it's just for game dev nerds in general, but you're just using it for general coding practice / learning? Gotta make Pong by Wednesday. Good luck with that. Good luck with that one. I mean, at least Pong, it's just working with all... Like, in terms of the physics engine, that's just working with all flat surfaces, so... That shouldn't be too hard to, like, calculate bounces and stuff like that. But I guess it depends how much experience you have coding PS1 graphics for how difficult that'll be. I, for one, have 0 experience with that, so I will continue to be uneducated and still making games that are absolutely terrible quality. To be fair, going to school will not make you make good games. It'll just make you educated. That's about it. Okay, does that look like more like spaceship now? Everything I try looks bad. Do I move them up? No, I don't move them up. I set that to 1. I make this a lengthy boy. It does look like a spaceship? Not to me. I have something called standards for my YouTube channel, and my standards happen to be very low for my channel, but they happen to be higher than how much that looks like a spaceship. I think that one looks a little bit better. Yeah, I think that one looks much better. Do I move flames back there? Nah. We keep them there. I'm going to animate those flames. I'm just gonna, like, add an animator and just, like, change the scale and rotation randomly. And it might look like flames. It also might not. Alright, sweet. We have a spaceship for Space Invaders. Let's go. Should probably set up the camera. $100.00 about there. And I guess the ship is a little bit big. 0.1, how does that look in the camera? That looks about right. Still a little big. I'll make the camera bigger. I'll make it look at 10. Set that to 10. Okay, that looks decent. That looks decent. Alright, let's save that one so I don't lose it. Of course, my computer's not happy about streaming, recording, streaming Lo-Fi Girl, and all that, and running a Unity all at the same time. Well, we might be here a while. Never mind, it just finished. Okay, we're good. Alright, sweet. That's a ship. Next, in Space Invaders, Space Invaders. We gotta make this guy. I don't know how I'm gonna make this guy. I could just... The dumbest thing I could do. I could take Bomb on battlefield. Oh, that's the wrong one. Bomb on battlefield. Just center that. Make it really flat. So it's basically a plane. No, I wanted to avoid using planes. And then make this guy. The individual squares, each one of them is a bomb on battlefield. It could make, yeah, pixel art. It could make. Yeah, everything's made out of bomb on battlefield in this game. Bomb on battlefield's not quite a perfect square. It's pretty close, though. I could get away with it. I mean, does anyone have any interpretive art of what these guys look like? Like that. No, that's way even more hard. That would be even harder. If I have some, like, interpretive art. Here we go. No, I'm just leaving myself even more confused. Okay. Unless I just make my own enemies, my own spaceships. I mean, there is... I could just make UFOs. I'm gonna make UFOs. I'm now deciding. Because I have a little nifty trick I can use. A trick up my sleeve. Hopefully I have a trick up my sleeve. I think if I... Which axis? I think X-axis. Rotate it this way. I can make a trapezoid. Kind of. Oh wait, no, I'm looking orthographically. Orthographic doesn't have trapezoids. That wouldn't work. Ooh. Even a UFO is hard. Okay, we make a pixelated UFO. Alright, right about... a little bit thinner than that. Oh. 6'5"? Yeah, about there. And then we make the cockpit. Three, 5? No, a little bit bigger than that. 3? 4? Just 0.5? Yeah, 0.5. Height's 0.2. Yeah, there we go. Right about there. Then we take another bomb on battlefield. This one's going to be a really detailed one, just you wait. We set it to be 0.125. We put it in the corner at 45 degrees. Right there. Nice chamfered edge. Sorry, I forgot to put the music back on. I know that's why all of you are here today. Not for me, just for the music. Not for the game dev. And then one more. Galet. Mathematically, this should be 1.25. I don't want to do math right now, so I don't want to... I'm just going to eyeball the width. Just kidding, I was wrong about math. We're just going to eyeball everything. That's how math works, right? That's how I passed high school pre-cal. Right about there. It's not... It just looks like a bowler hat. It's Space Invaders, but the bowler hats are coming. Could just draw a little dude under there, make it all black. Oh. No, that doesn't look right. I also feel like I'm cheating using planes. No. We're getting rid of the orthographic camera. I'm here to challenge myself. We're going back to the ship. We're making a 3D game. We're not making a 2D game in a 3D engine by using an orthographic camera to make everything look different. Although I don't think to make this a... I don't think to make this 3D will take much effort, because I think I can just do that. Well... There. Oh yeah. It's very spiky right there, but I can make that work. That I can make work. In terms of 3D, I can live with that. Although from the side it looks bad. Actually, no. We can fix that. Nope, not that one. I forgot. We'll flatten it. We'll flatten it and it'll look better. There we go. Beauty. Top 10 ships of all time, right? Give me an award for this game already. I want this actually to be that back part. That little part sticking out of the gray to be the thruster. So I think I'm actually going to redo this once again. I know this entire stream's just going to be me making a spaceship. $1.5. $1.65? Maybe? Ah, not quite. They don't quite meet up in the middle. 1.7. Wrong axis. Alright, this time. This time. It'll be perfect. Not quite. Ah! Do I just jump to 1.8? I'm afraid 1.8 is just gonna go over. Wait. No, 1.8 didn't go over. 1.8 was perfect. There we go. Best ship of all day, I think. Okay, we're taking it. We're taking that ship. Actually, I just realized that this ship looks wrong now. There was one detail I liked more before. Wait. We're waiting for this again. Just kidding, we're back. Alright, cool. Except we're gonna go through all that all over again. I just remembered. I wanted it right there. That amount? Yeah, sure. Make this a little shorter. Okay, how big is this one? 0.5 by 2. Start with that. And to no one's surprise, it didn't line up. Ooh, that's close. That is a close one. I think this is it. There it is. Okay, yeah. Wait. We're saving the prefab. We might have to do it again. Ah, there it is. Just kidding, it's done. All right. Now. After... How long have I been live? 1 hour and 12 minutes. We have a spaceship. And it's not even animated. That is like some of the worst returns on game dev I have ever seen. Anyways, let's keep going with this terrible rate of work getting done. With making a UFO. Ooh. Yeah, I still don't have any ideas after fixing that ship for the UFO. Okay. Bring bomb on battlefield back. UFO. Hi, Dan. Also, Ali isn't here anymore. Anyways, welcome here, Dan. Welcome to me making absolutely terrible games using terrible means. I spent the past hour and a half just making this one ship. The ship is entirely made out of bomb on battlefield. And now it's time to make a UFO. I'm trying to recreate Space Invaders with only bomb on battlefield. Anyways, back to it. Oh, you're leaving? JK, I'm back. Okay. Bye. See ya. Okay, for a UFO... Or... maybe I don't make a UFO. I'm having an idea. Now... I know what I said in my last video. Ideas are very dangerous, but... what if I use this again? I use this on the spaceship. We are recreating Space Invaders, so maybe I could just make an alien. No one knows what aliens look like, so I can't be wrong by doing this. I have a double-sided material somewhere. Material. Alien. There we go. None. Let's just make it a green boy. Right there. No highlights. These could be the legs of the alien. Okay, I looked it up before. So, this is the guy I'm trying to make. I could do it this way. I think it might work. I mean, let's find 0 first, because these are all... oh, they're really far away from the center. Actually... wrong way? Flip it this way. There we go. Yeah. And then I can do 180 degrees. Math is hard. Math hard. Less math make the brain happier. Actually, I like that angle. I can just make another one there. Negative 1.75? You can make this negative 1. 1. Just make it 2. I want this centered. Some part of me just refuses to let it not be centered. Okay. Got some alien tentacles, I mean... let me pull it up again. How close am I? Can you see the resemblance? I mean, they might be long-lost cousins, like, long-lost fifth cousins. I mean, it is kind of working. The idea is there. I just gotta make sure that I don't make this look like a spider and trigger someone's arachnophobia. How am I gonna make this head, though? Like, this head with eyes? I have no idea. I don't know how that's gonna work. I mean, maybe I could use Bomb on Battlefield again. Crazy idea. And just, like, color it black to make the eyes. That's probably what I'm gonna do, but this head shape? How am I gonna do that? I have no idea. So, I think it's time for a little brainstorming session again. I hear that the louder you the better your thinking is. Not sure how true it is. That's all I got right now. I think I just had an idea. Let's see if this works. This is already rotated, so I'm gonna unrotate it. 90 degrees. You see that right there? That's an eye socket. Eye socket. We're gonna put the eye in there. Then maybe, just maybe, I can make this work. Oh, I gotta turn that down. I'm looking at it from this side. What if I... Huh. That's an interesting, surprisingly clean shape. .5? No. 0.125. I'm gonna give him a mustache. Kind of looks like a half of a mustache if you squint really hard and... Okay. That is not how you spell stash. There we go. Let's just make it all. .2. I might be able to hide more of it then. It's got a mustache. Look at that. If I... You wouldn't kill an alien with a mustache, right? I mean, I still haven't fixed the part where I need to add a head, but this has got a mustache. I'm keeping that. I'm keeping that in there. Okay. How can I imagine this as a head? Look at it all from all angles, chat. Look at it very closely. Does anyone see a head in here? Even like half a head. That's all I see is a square. I mean, looking back at that mustache shape... This might be dumb. Or... I could just be the most brilliant game developer in the world. So it's probably dumb. I could probably create the outline shape for a face using just the stash. If I move the stash further forward... Nice stash. I might be able to use like this rounded edge here to create the shape of the head. I can kind of see it. It's starting to look a little bit like a mustached octopus to me. To most people, it probably still just looks bad, but that's okay. This looks different. Ah, that's why. 2.8. There we go. That's what I was looking for. And then... like that. We flip it once again. It's even creating little eye sockets! I didn't think this would end up actually working. He kind of looks like he's angry as well. This might actually work if I find something to fill in there, which I could probably just fill it in with this. Perhaps? Not gonna lie, this definitely looks a lot better than the spaceship. Oh, the spaceship looks terrible looking back at this now. Oh. And one last thing. Move this forwards. Copy, paste. Alien eyes. And I think this one will just be a standard unlit color. Make it black. I love the mustache. It's staying. I might make it smaller, but the mustache is for sure staying. Okay, how far forwards can I move this? About that far. 2.33. Okay. Alright, the stash needs to be a little smaller. We're gonna go for 0.5. No, the stash has to be bigger than that. Just 0.6. Okay, they have to cover up some stuff with it. 4.5? I mean... it's... Okay, I do think the eyes are a little offsetting right now. I might actually make this, white. And then put, like... make this, like, 0.25 by 0.25. Rotate it 45? No. Hmm, 1.5? These ones will be black. There we go. We got some eyes with life in them. Who's on this side? -4. This side, 4. Well, not exactly. Well, I guess I could do 4 if I do negative there. Oh, it's rotated, so it's... Why does he look so cool? I don't know, I might be able to add some, like, script that, like, tracks the player, so he's always looking at you. That actually could be, like, some cool thing that I add in. Why does he look so good? He looks like, he looks terrible in terms of 3D models for games. It looks terrible. But he also looks... For what it is, he looks cool. He looks way cooler than he should. Alright. Well. Time to bin him. Oh, that one was fast. Why does the ship one take so long? Okay. What's next? What else is in Space Invaders? Like, what other objects are there? I mean, is this a picture of an actual Space Invaders? I've never actually played Space Invaders, fun fact. Okay, so we got these guys. What do these guys do? And what do those guys do? We got those little squid guys back there. Splatoon? I know. And then we got these guys. Honestly, these guys look a lot more like that than, these guys do. Okay, okay. Let's look up. Okay. Just found this. We are going to play Space Invaders. Because I have never played Space Invaders before. Oh, those guys at the top shoot lightning. Oh, those are shields. Oh, they're slowly coming down. Oh, I can shoot through my own shields. It's a mothership at the top. I mean, for this challenge, do I also have to make a song using only the theme song from Bomb on Battlefield? What is this song? Alright, we're getting this mothership. Yes! We got it! Okay, these shields are actually really annoying. I kind of want to destroy them myself just because they get in the way of, like, I can't shoot that guy now. Got him. I almost sniped that ship through all of them. You know, I don't see why this game ever went out of fashion. I think it holds up today. Modern graphics, I mean, like, look at these graphics. They're, incredible. By modern standards, a AAA title. Got it. Oh, these guys are about to break through. Just line of them on the side. I mean, there's like, okay. So there's 3 enemies in this game. There's the aliens that just body block. Oh. Okay, got it. So, let's stop playing for a second. There's like 3 different enemies in this game. There's these ones here. And these ones. They just body block. That's all they do the entire game. Then there's these guys up top that shoot projectiles at you. Then there's the mothership that just passes by. I mean... it's kind of what I see is going on. I mean, maybe I need a Space Invaders, there we go. Space Invaders on Wikipedia. Gameplay. Space Invaders is a fixed shooter in which the player moves a laser cannon horizontally across the bottom of the screen and fires at aliens overhead. The aliens begin as 5 rows of 11 and move left to right as a group, shifting downward each time they reach a screen edge. The goal is to eliminate the aliens by shooting them while the player has 3 lives. The game ends immediately if the invaders reach the bottom of the screen. The aliens attempt to destroy the player's cannon by firing projectiles. The laser cannon is partially protected by stationary defense bunkers, which are gradually destroyed from the top by the aliens. If the player fires beneath them, the bottom gets destroyed. Honestly, why would you want the bunkers? They just block your shots. You have more places to move. Oh, you know what? Maybe you want the bunkers if there's like someone shooting here and they're shooting a bunch here, then you can quickly get out of the bunker to get cover. I don't know, like the gameplay's a little slow to like warrant the bunkers, but we'll see. Okay, where was I? Which are gradually destroyed. Player fires one beneath them, bottom gets destroyed. The aliens are defeated. The movements of the game's music will speed up. Defeating the aliens brings another wave, which starts lower. A loop which can continue endlessly. A special mystery ship will occasionally move across the top of the screen and award bonus points if destroyed. Okay. I mean... is there like a Space Invaders wiki? Oh, here we go. Space Invaders wiki fandom. Somehow I don't think this is just talking about the original arcade game. Yeah, I mean... so, from what I see, I can take creative interpretation on the aliens. I mean, considering this is going to be a 3D game, I think I can take a lot of creative interpretation. I think it's going to be more like a, sort of racing-style game, you could say. Where, just like I don't know, like Star Fox or like Lego Star Wars driving scenes where you got the camera just over top of your ship, and your ship can move back and forth. I think that's kind of what I'm probably gonna make, and then the aliens are coming towards you. I guess it would be a lot more like an asteroid shooter than Space Invaders, but I'll still call it Space Invaders just because more people will get that. Alright. Back to it. What do I need to make next? Okay. I have an idea for the game now. I have an idea. So I'm going to... I'm going to open up Paint so I can show you my idea. So, basically, we will have you, the player, right here. Shooting lasers. There we go, shooting lasers. Then we will have big bad mothership over here. Okay, this UFO drawing is actually going a lot better than I thought it would. Okay. We got big bad mothership over here. You and the mothership are both traveling at the same speed. I mean, I guess neither of them are moving. Then it spawns little mustached aliens. There we go. It spawns little mustached aliens that move towards you, and you must shoot them before they get to you. Before they get past you. If they get past you, you lose? I don't know. Up for testing? But yeah, there's lots of these aliens coming at you. All with very handsome mustaches. And you have to shoot them before they get to you, and you need to destroy the ship? How does that work together? I mean, like, do I want to make this, like, level-based? Do I want to make it endless? Either way, I mean, okay, either way, level-based and endless both play the exact same. Level-based is just that when you destroy the mothership, another mothership shows up, but it's faster the next round. Endless would just be you have to destroy the mothership by a certain time. Otherwise, the game immediately ends, so you have a timer to kill the mothership, I guess? Or, no. The mothership could just spawn more aliens, which is why you want to get rid of it quickly. Or maybe the mothership shoots projectiles at you? I mean... No, that color sucks. Why do I have... brush. There we go. Maybe it's shooting lasers at you as well? Maybe you need to dodge the lasers as well? Just to add another mechanic in there, and that's why you want to get rid of the mothership, because it shoots lasers? But you have to get through these guys to shoot the mothership? Okay, no, it's just gonna be a UFO, it's not the mothership. And it shoots at you. It's sort of like those, top aliens that shoot down at you down at the bunker. It's going to be like those guys. We're gonna remove the bonus points mothership. Yeah, we're gonna move the bonus points mothership. It's just going to be the aliens that shoot you, and then just general cannon fodder aliens, and they slowly move towards you, they slowly spawn. It's gonna work a little bit differently. Alright, sound like a plan? Good, because I have no idea what I'm doing either. Alright. Let's get some ripping music playing. Perfect. Alright. Next, we need a ship that shoots you. Oh, no. Alien gun. Call it that. Alright. I need something a little bit more hype than this. There we go. Alright. How am I going to turn this into a second spaceship? Let's go. Here's a fun fact. Developers have absolutely no creativity. So what we do is we go onto Google Images and we see what someone else has already created before us. I guess like a UFO isn't a bad idea. Never a bad idea, although it's really hard to make with the current assets I'm using. Alien spaceship with gun. That didn't help, it just gave me guns. I mean, I could just take the already existing alien model, just like change it red. It's like, oh, it shoots at you. It's technically not bad game design because it's distinguishable. Ooh, this one looks... That's Fortnite, though. I can't use that. I mean, I don't really want a UFO. I want something that distinctly has a weapon on it, or at least I can put a weapon on. UFO has no distinctive parts, which is why it's designed like that. There is no... If I look at this, there is no distinctive parts. It's a circle. That's a bad example, but like, even like this, it's just a circle. You can't tell where anything is. Like, are these guns on it? I don't know. I can't tell. If they're guns, they can't aim. Just kind of spins in a circle, shoots, and hits everything. It's like, what's this at the bottom? Like, that's the whole thing of UFOs, is you can't tell what's going on. Sci-fi spaceship. No, I don't want to play that one. Okay, that one's kind of cool. I just want a ship that's a little bit wider. This one's actually kind of cool. I like that one. Maybe I could just do one with like a big barrel in the front, and then it's just got wings, and that's its only defining feature is its big barrel. I mean, even, like, this one's kind of cool. You can tell, like, those could be distinctly guns if you design it differently. That one again, like you could just put a big barrel in the front of it. I might do something like that. Just put a big barrel with 2 wings on it. Might be the easiest way to do it. Alright. Let's try it out. See how it goes. Probably not well. Big barrel. How do I start with that? I mean, I could very easily make a Gatling gun just using that part right there. But that is not what I want. Man, this really is a cat jam. This one's kind of a jam. Hmm. I mean... I could do this again. And then... Why does this look like paper almost? Kind of looks like paper a little bit. I guess prefab, I could unpack this. I guess I just do this. $1.25? I guess 1.25? I don't want to do math right now. Oh, it's 225. Boom. Quick math. And this one's just negative 45. Not gonna lie, that tube kind of looks alien, but like, just because of like these streaks in it, it almost looks like there's a reason for them there. Almost. But in the end, it kind of still looks like crumpled paper. Anyways, good enough. We made a long barrel. I don't think it needs to be quite that long. Make it 2.5. Alright, let's drop in another bomb on battlefield. Now we got that, but, no. For once in my life, I've got an idea. Oh, too far. Oh, I may have just had another idea. Today is a day for ideas. Oh, not that. What? No, not this one. Unpack. I know. This is cheating, all that. Oh, no, not the stash. The guns. And then I think... we make these one red. $195. Beauty. I mean, that's a detail part. What color do I want that? Maybe just a darker red. Like 135? Even darker. I also don't like how light this color is for this one. I know part of that is the light color is bad. That some of this looks blonde. Actually, we're just gonna set it to white. Maybe this is just black, basically. Uh, all right. One more bomb on battlefield. There we go. Sticking at the edge there. You know what? Good enough. There we go. Our alien ship. You know, I'm kind of missing out on that one scene, even though these ones are like taking faster. It was just the first ship that was taking forever to prefab it. I want to play the scene anyways. Anyways, we're back. Okay. We have our three things all beside each other. We got our ship, which I mean from a perspective like this, it looks all right. Yeah, I can live with that. Although I do notice that gap in the middle. Oh, that's gonna bug me. I'm just gonna make it narrower and a little bit taller. And pretend like it doesn't exist. Sweet. Wait. I'm just kidding. Oh, wait, never mind. Nope, still going. Okay, honestly, I actually have no idea why only that one prefab takes forever. It takes like 30 seconds to set. Because, I mean, if I set any of the other ones, the alien one, it's done. I have no idea why that one takes so long. Anyways, these are our assets made from only bomb on battlefield. These look so bad. Honestly, though, this one right here, this alien is my favorite. Him and his mustache. Actually, I should make that. Let's make that mustache an actual stash color. Right about there. There we go. That's more stash-like. Well then. I think those are all our assets then that we I think those are all our assets we need then. I think I will call that a day. Thank you everyone for watching, and if you did like, please don't forget to subscribe, because I happen to spend thousands of hours actually on this channel making all this content, so if you could subscribe, that'd be very nice, because I don't make any money off of this. In fact, I actually lose money, because it actually cost me money to get people like that SRB2 dude to actually try out my program. Fun fact, that actually cost me money. I know that I made a video called I lost $5,000 doing this, but like, that's just like a theoretical what I could have been paid for the amount of work I put in. I didn't actually lose $5,000. It was something I wanted to do anyways. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll probably be back tomorrow. Again, working on this. Allons-y!